Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Welcome to our new course, that's Arabic course. Today we are going to learn about Arabic adjectives. In Arabic we call these adjectives as sifat. This is a fundamental lesson. In order to learn any language, you have to master the grammatical structures of that language. Until you are not the master of those things which are necessary for any language, you cannot learn the language. There are two important things for learning language. One is the group conversation and one is one-to-one conversation. When we give 10 words to a student, then we start conversing with each other on those 10 words. For example, I say bat, I say bab, I say lamba, or I say sabura, then we discuss on these 3-4 words in a sentence. Then we converse with each other. For example, if I have to converse, if I have to start the conversation, I will say ma hada. Your answer will be hada kalamun. For example, then my question will be hada kalamun. Your answer will be naam hada kalamun. This starts your conversation, and this is the base of any lesson. That is, one is one-to-one conversation and one is group conversation. Any language you want to see, there is only one tool, that's conversation. And you want to learn the knowledge of that language, that's grammar. That's not the language, that's not the conversation. This is the knowledge of the grammar, and that is the conversation, learning conversation. Dear students, today our lesson is adjectives. We call that sifat. We call that sifat. We have, unlike English, there is not the rule in Arabic that it follows English. It is opposite to English. For example, I will quote here example. I can say good boy. I can say good boy. And this is adjective. And this is noun. This is noun. See, in English, what happens? We are preceding noun. We are preceding adjective to a noun. We are preceding adjective to a noun. Now, in Arabic, what is there? The rule in Arabic. See, first we are bringing the noun. For example, then there is adjective. Then there is adjective. Now, this very noun in Arabic language, this is called mawsuf, this is called mawsuf, and this adjective, it is called sifat. It is called sifat. This is mawsuf and sifat. Or it can be also called as nat. It can be also called as nat, or it is manu. It is manu. You can zoom it also whenever you feel there is that you want to show to the students these words. This is nat and this is manu. The rule is now, you remember the rule that in Arabic language, first there is mawsuf, then there is adjective, sifat. So we will collect the examples from our students and our experts. One of our experts and students, among students, that is Mr. Sajjad, he will quote an example. Yes, we will write here sifat, mawsuf. What we'll write here? We'll write it mawsuf. Mawsuf. What will be our mawsuf?
Kalamun jamilun.
Very good. Kalamun. This is kalamun. Jamil. If we have the duster.
Yeah.
Jamilun. Kalamun? Jamilun. That means beautiful pen. If I write here, this is beautiful pen. See now, this is adjective, but here this is noun. This is noun, here this is adjective. That means it is opposite to this. It is opposite to this. The first thing in adjectives in sifat was this, that first we write the mawsuf, then we write the sifat. Now the important thing, another important thing in adjectives is, see dear students, the important thing is that in Arabic language, adjectives, they follow gender, they follow case, and they follow number. They follow adjectives, they follow number, they follow gender, and they follow cases. They follow cases. Now we have to understand what does this mean, that number, this gender, and this case. First we'll take this number, we'll take this number. We'll say how they follow number, how they follow what number. They follow the number of mawsuf. They follow the number of mawsuf. For example, this is mawsuf, this is mawsuf. If mawsuf is singular, if mawsuf is singular, This is called a number. That means adjectives follow number. Adjectives follow number. You can have that light.
No, bond.
This light. This and this.
بس no يقربان وثاني يقربان
Yes, they follow number. Yes.
No,
This is not correct. This is not correct.
No, this is reflecting light.
This is the reflecting one. You can have whenever you have to talk, you can pause also.
You
Is this reflecting one?
Yes.
This is correct.
Okay.
Thank you. See now, adjectives they follow number. They follow number. What does this mean? If singular, if the mawsuf noun is singular, its adjective is also singular. Its adjective also sifat is also singular. And we'll have the example. Yes, we'll have the example.
Yes. Kalamun Jamilun.
Very good.
Example. The best example.
Kalamun Jamilun. See, this is wahid. This is one. This is singular, and this is also singular. This is also singular. Now, how can it follow the number like duals? How can it follow the number like duals? Duals in Arabic we call those musanna. We call those musanna. We have to see how it follows now the duals. This was the first rule. That means singular plus adjective also singular. Now, if we have the mawsuf dual, dual.
Kalamani Jamilain.
Duals. It's adjective, it's sifat. It is sifat. It's also dual. That means musanna. It's also musanna. That means it follows number. The rule is it follows number. We have to see the example. We can say
Kalamani Jamilain.
Kalamani Jamilain. When we have to make the duals, we have to add alif and noon. We have to add alif and noon in case of sifat, in case of adjectives, and in case of mawsuf, in case of mawsuf as well. Now they follow the number. That means if the mawsuf is plural, its adjective is also plural. Its adjective is also plural. But we have to remember there one thing. We have to remember one thing there. Now the thing is, if the noun is a rational one, rational one, we call those akil. We call that group akil group. We call that akil group. If this noun is rational and is plural, its adjective is also plural. And we will have the example.
الطالبون الطلاب المسلمون جميلون.
المسلمون
جميلون.
For example, this is the best example. But we put here definite article as well. But we'll see that thing later on. That means this was the example that noun is the rational plural and adjectives also the plural. This was that when adjectives follow the number. Now the second case is that adjective follows gender. This is now the second thing in adjectives. We'll see how it follows the gender. And later on we will have the evaluation, how we can learn things in a better way. Now the second thing was that the adjectives follow gender. As you know, in any language, or in English language, or in Persian language, or Arabic language, we have two genders in common. We have two genders. One is masculine and one is feminine. That means two genders. One is masculine and one is feminine. See now, if I say this is mawsuf, this is mawsuf. This is mawsuf. If this mawsuf is masculine, its adjective, that means it's sifat. It's not. Its adjective is also
masculine.
Yes, we'll have the example. Yes.